Okay, so what we're doing now is
hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell.
have this right here, right? It's a little butter, garlic sauce that I prepared. Put a little bit of it in there. Yeah. Put that over at the bottom. All right. Then okay, so we're gonna add salmon. All right. I would have used a bigger pan, but I'm trying to. Okay, so put up salmon in there. They're cut pretty thin. Okay, we just got it on simmer. Got that sauce on there, and I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, just want to let it cook in there. You want it to let the skillet really cook that, let it sear. Okay. Flipped it over. Part of the other fish broke off. Part of the salmon broke off. Yeah, it's going. It's going. Get that thing cooked. Okay, so we flip that over. I like to make sure mine is cooked until the brown is on there, right? So, let's see, we got that looking right. Yeah. 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 Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out and we're gonna stir that up a little bit while we bake it. Oh man, alright, look at the steam coming off that. So that pretty much already done. But we'll put them back in there just long enough until the rest of our salmon gets cooked, okay? Alright, then we'll throw that back in there. Throw that back in there until, alright, so salmon gets cooked. Our butter mixed up in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and lay this one down up in there, right?